adventurers. Coach Haley and I are just having a snack. What is your favorite fruit? I like that one too.
This stinks. I'm all out of snacks.
Want some fruit? It'll help you feel good and it tastes great.
That's not a snack. I'd like some fruit snacks though.
Why can't you get some more snacks, Coach Brad?
Because the snack factory's shut down. Machines are broken.
Well, then we better go fix it.
It's no use. I'm too hungry.
Here, Coach Brown, take my granola bar. It has lots of protein in it, so you can be big and strong.
Oh, wow, this is good. I can already feel the energy coming. Oh, we should probably burn some of this off before we go. Let's run in a circle. You guys are doing great. Let's start jumping.
Whoa!
How high can you guys jump?
I bet I can jump higher than you, Coach Brad.
Oh yeah?
Whoa!
I still have a lot of energy. Let's gallop. This isn't working. I gotta burn more energy. Ooh, how about we do some high knees? So let's bring our knees up nice and high.
Like this, Coach Brad?
You're bringing your feet up. You're doing a really good job. Instead, bring your knees up.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that. Whew. This is a tough workout.
Whew.
Okay, I think one more thing and I'll be ready to go. Let's crawl like a bear.
Okay. Like this, Coach Brad?
Well, you're doing a great crawl. Just try on your hands and your feet.
Okay.
Awesome. Adventurers, are you guys on your hands and feet? Awesome. Woo! I think I'm ready. I burned off enough energy. Let's head to the car and we'll drive to the snack factory.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, this is impossible. We'll never find a way in.
I'm sure we'll find a way in. I do think we'll have to stretch first, though. This is a big job. Coach Brad, Coach Haley, will you guys go find an entrance up ahead? I'm gonna stay here with the adventurers and we're gonna stretch.
Okay.
Sounds good. Will you guys stretch with me? Okay, great. We're gonna start by reaching up tall and trying to touch the ceiling. Now reach down low and touch your toes. Make sure your legs are staying nice and straight. We're gonna reach up tall one more time. Do you think you can touch the ceiling? And now we are going to sink down into our tuck, and I want you to grab your knees as tight as you can. As tight as you can. Who can make the smallest ball? Now we're going to make a big straddle. Make sure our legs are nice and straight and our toes are pointed. We're going to reach up high to the sky and reach all the way over. See if you can smell your knee. Woo! like our last stretch is our tabletop. Can everyone push up into your tabletop? I'm going to eat some ice cream while I'm here. Do you think you can eat ice cream with the other hand? Whew. I think we're ready for our adventure. Let's go catch up to Coach Brad and Coach Haley. Come on. I still don't see Coach Brad or Coach Haley. Whoa! This is so cool. It's a machine that cuts, washes, and peels the fruit. Wow. I love sliced apples. That's one of my favorite fruits. I like to dip it in honey or sunflower butter for a healthy snack. Yum. It looks like this one is broken though. Maybe it's because the batteries fell out. Can you guys help me push the batteries back into the machine so it can work again? Awesome, let's get started. We're gonna start by working on our Teeter Totters. I'm gonna put my back foot on the lightning bolt, my front foot on the triangle, my arms by my ears, and I'm gonna kick up and we're gonna push the battery back into the machine. Let's go. Just like that. Make sure your legs are nice and straight. Let's do it again together. Let's do it one more time. Great job. And now we're going to move on to our toe kissers. Not like that, Coach Brad. I didn't mean literally. We're going to start in a lunge. Our back foot on the lightning bolt, our front foot on the triangles, arms by our ears. We're going to kick up and kiss our toes together. And then come back down in the lunge, just like that. So make sure your arms are straight and your legs are nice and straight. And kick up. And come back down. Let's do it again together, okay? Kick up. And come back down. This is our last one, okay? Let's push extra hard to get the batteries back into the machine. Arms by our ears, kick up. Look, I think we fixed it. And there's the culprit. A greasy bag of potato chips. It looks like potato chips are not the best source of energy. Well, now that we fixed the machine, let's go see if we can find Coach Haley and Coach Brad again. Let's go.
I love seaweed. The only thing is they're supposed to be in squares, but this machine is putting out seaweed in all sorts of different shapes. I think we're going to have to shrink down to fix it. Do you guys remember my shrink ray machine? That's right. We're going to use it again. I've turned it into a tiny little machine, and we're going to shrink down so that we can get to work. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, I think I know what's going on. It looks like our mission mat has all of the buttons that cut the different shapes of our seaweed. Now, we want them to be in squares, and we're going to have to see which button makes that shape. Let's start by jumping on the lightning bolts. You reach up high and jump. Oh no, the seaweed came out as a lightning bolt. I wonder why that is. Let's do another jump. This time when you jump onto the lightning bolts, turn around and see if you can see what shape's coming out of the machine. Still lightning bolts. Let's jump and turn one more time. Lightning bolts again. What's the next shape on our mission map? That's right, triangles. Let's do a frog jump onto the triangles. Maybe then we'll get the shape we're looking for. Put your hands on the hearts. And jump our feet to the triangles. Ribbit. What? Triangle seaweed? That's not the shape we want. I know. Let's do a donkey kick on the sun, and maybe that will give us the shape we're looking for. Put your hands down on the sun and jump your feet up. Like this. Well, that didn't quite work. Let's do a couple more donkey kicks. Remember, your hands stay on the ground while your feet jump up. So glue glue your hands to the sun and jump 1 and 2. And who's after 2? Oh yeah, 3 and 3. Those still aren't the right shapes. What is the next shape after the sun? Did you say squares? That's exactly the shape we need. Let's do our best jump yet. We're gonna do a super high straight jump and then a frog jump onto the squares. That should press the right button down hard enough that we'll get the square seaweed we need. Can you reach your arms up and jump really high? Hands down on the squares and ribbit. We did it! Those are square shapes. Let's do 3 more frog jumps so we can get all the seaweed we need. Hands down on the squares, ribbit. Again, ribbit. And one last time. Are your feet by your hands like mine? Awesome. Let's do our last one. Nice and big. 1, 2, 3, ribbit. Now we have the right shaped seaweed and we fixed the machine. Let's go see what Coach Haley's doing on her progress with fixing her machine.
Hey, Coach Haley, there you are. How are you doing? I'm doing okay. This machine is kind of crazy, and I don't even know what snacks are in it. What? You've never had ants on the log before? They're so delicious.
What? We can't eat our ant friends from our last adventure?
Coach Brad, ants on the log is not actual ants. It's celery, sunflower butter, and raisins.
Oh, celery? Yuck!
Coach Haley, can you fix this machine so Coach Brad can try it?
I would. If only Coach Brad brought his shrink ray, then I'd be small enough to fit in it.
Ooh, yum, thanks.
Wait! That's not a snack, that's the shrink ray.
Oh, it did look like a granola bar. Well, here goes.
Whoa! I'm shrunken down, it worked!
It looked like the cogs are super sticky. Maybe if we spin like a cog, we'll be able to fix it. Let's go ahead and put our feet on the triangles. And we're gonna bring both of our hands to the orange hearts and we're gonna jump over to the squares. And big jump.
Whoa! Try and keep your balance. Let's go ahead and do the other side. So we're gonna start with our feet on the squares and we're gonna put our hands on the yellow hearts this time. Are you ready? Let's do it. Good job, friends. Now, I think we should start in our lunge this time. So my front foot is gonna go on the orange triangle and my back foot is gonna go on the orange lightning bolt. We're still gonna put our hands on the orange hearts this time. So, ready? Big jump! Stop the landing. Should we try it again? Let's do it all together. We have to start in our lunge again. Arms up, and this time, we're gonna put our hands on the yellow hearts this time. Great job, friends. I think we should move on to cartwheels. Let's try and do a super big cartwheel to help the cogs get fixed. So this time, we're gonna start in our lunge again. Arms up super high, and we're gonna put our hands on the orange hearts again. Are you ready? Let's go! Whoa! Stop the landing! When you land your cartwheel, let's try and land in the lunge again. So I'm gonna switch my legs since this is my good leg. You can do your other leg if you need. Now, I'm gonna put my hands on the yellow hearts. Arms up high. Oh,
She did it, Coach Catherine.
did
Coach
it.
Haley fixed it.
Wow.
Here, Coach Brad, I got you a snack.
Wow, you were right. That is really good. I guess I was wrong about healthy snacks. Not only do they taste great, they really do make you feel good. So good, in fact, I kind of feel like dancing.
What's your favorite snack?